Armed forces of Ukraine use new Bureviy MLRS at the front line. According to a video published on the Telegram account on June 8, 2022, the Ukrainian army has deployed its new Bureviy 220mm MLRS, multiple rocket launcher system, to conduct combat operations against Russian troops. As media informed, on December 27, 2021, Ukrainian company Shepetivka Repair Plant going to launch the production of Bureviy 220mm MLRS, multiple launch rocket system, based on Tatra T-815-7 8x8 truck chassis from the Czech company Excalibur Army. The Bureviy is a 220mm MLRS, multiple launch rocket system, fully designed and developed by the Ukrainian company Shepetivka Repair Plant according to a request of the Ukrainian Ministry of Defense to replace the old Soviet-made BM-27220mm MLRS. The Bureviy is based on the 8x8 military truck chassis T-815-7 T3 RC1 manufactured by the Czech company Tatra. This is the latest generation of military trucks in the Tatra T-815 family. The Tatra truck is fitted with a double-doors armored crew cabin that provides protection against the firing of small arms as well as mine protection. According to the video published on the Ukraine Weapons Tracker Twitter account, this version seems to be fitted with a new armor cab. The Bureviy 220mm MLRS is equipped with a digital fire control system, including an information exchange system on the battlefield. This allows the Bureviy to be included in a single reconnaissance and strike circuit, when information from reconnaissance vehicles, such as UAVs, is transmitted online to the means of destruction. This minimizes the time from target detection to destruction in minutes. The rockets launched by the BM-27 MLRS can reach a firing range from 35 to 40 kilometers, while the Bureviy has a firing range from 35 to 65 kilometers. The Bureviy can fire all the 220mm rockets including 9M27F HE-frag, high explosive fragmentation, and the unguided rockets 9M27K loaded with fragmentation submunitions, 9M59, and 9M27K2.